Hello, Judy Allen here, San Antonio, Texas. You know, and it's all about Easter season right here. We've done an Easter Bunny class, and we're also doing Rejoice in Him class, right? So one's very faith-based, and one's more geared for the kids and fun and so forth. So what I want to do is show you what we're doing with Rejoice in Him. We're making 5 cards, right? 5 cards, right? And a home decor piece. So let me show you what it's all about, all right? Let's get those hands so you can see them. Let's see, I need the hands. Okay, so we are making 5 cards, right? And we're starting off with here. And we're using this stamp set on everything that we're doing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 very beautiful cards to do. And then we also have, give you a glimpse of the home decor piece. Very beautiful stuff. Very easy to do. A very nice class to be able to get together and have you some of those Easter cards there for the holidays. So, you know what? If you can't join in, just want to let you know that we do have PDF tutorials. And we also have videos. So that's what it's all about, right? So that's what it's all about, right? Creating, sharing, and most importantly, giving, right? Making something and touch their lives. So if you're interested, whether you want to join in with a class or you just want the PDF tutorials, and we also have videos. So with that, be blessed and look forward to hearing from you. And otherwise, until next time, we have more classes coming up. So if you just follow us on YouTube, as well on Facebook, and you'll sit there and you'll know when the classes are there. Or even more importantly, you can join our email list, which is also linked there. And you'll be even more up to date because we get those out to you email. Be blessed. All right? Thank you. Be blessed. Bye. And thank you. Bye.